briefly introduce the Banor SICAV Euro Bond Fund?
Banor SICAV Euro Bond is a UCITS fund focused on the European credit market. The strategy invests in low-duration corporate bonds with an average rating between BBB and BB. Our goal is achieving returns in excess of those of government bonds. The fund relies on a bottom-up selection process involving in-depth analysis covering individual issuers, single issues, and the sector context. This analysis is carried out by a dedicated team of sector analysts.
How is the portfolio structured and which market segments does it target?
Portfolio construction is based on an active and diversified approach, typically including between 100 and 120 issuers. The portfolio is actively managed, with sector and rating allocation dynamically adjusted over time. We focus on three different segments of the European credit market: high-yield bonds, perpetual hybrid instruments issued by industrial companies, subordinated bonds issued by financial companies. Each of these segments requires a detailed analysis of both the financial profile of the single issuer and the legal and regulatory framework. This analysis relies on fundamental data, meetings with management, and scenario evaluation. Sector and rating exposure is calibrated according to market conditions and our macroeconomic outlook.
What risk management strategies are in place?
Risk management is a central element of our investment process. The fund applies a set of strict risk reduction policies, including a duration limited to a maximum of 3 years, full hedging of currency risk, and a broad diversification by issuer and by sector. The typical risks associated with the asset class, in particular those related to interest rates and issuer credit quality, are constantly monitored. The fund's objective is to achieve positive returns over the medium term, while limiting overall volatility and containing losses in uncertain market environments.